Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. A quick video on ticker symbol CVNA, which is for Carvana. And few people were asking about this particular stock, and I thought I should make a video. So the stock was down 10% Friday. It went all the way to 12.2, came down, moving sideways. And yeah, a few other things I'm going to talk about it. But anyway, if you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, you can see now many different report that that is why you should avoid the short squeeze stock. They are not talking about it. Um, the price is going higher. Is the increase justifiable? Carvana is down 91% from its highs, almost like $20 to $10. Should you buy? So many things, good and bad. But anyway, I always say when a stock goes up a lot, take some profit. When it comes down, get in. So I'm going to talk about the price action for sure. And we have been talking about this particular stock since $6-7. It went to 20, made some money. And anyway, we also do day trading. You can see our each and every day post, how much we are getting, how much move we are capturing. It's a nice community. We are making money consistently. If you want to be a part of my community, go to my Patreon, just join it here, get access to my Discord. I will leave the link in the first comment. First of all, like if you look at the volume was only 19 million last Friday, even though it had a nice pop, but it came down end of the day. The average volume was more, and when you see the volume is actually coming down. You can see last week the volume was not that high. Okay, this is something concerning. On the other hand, if you look at Ortex, still the short interest is very high, 62%, even though it was around 68%. Some shorts might have covered, but still it is very high. There is no shares available to short. The cost to borrow is not that high, like triple BY is like 300%. This is only 12%. But anyway, if you look at the option chain activity, just wanna show you something that is not very hot. If you look at the open interest and the volume, is okay, but it's not like nothing crazy. The only thing I see around 10 is strike price, 18,000 call option, open interest. Now let's come back to the share price. How it moved, went up, moved sideways, went up, tried to hold 18, then it dropped, again tried to push, went all the way to 16 and came down. But what you can see, the 14 area, it was trying to hold that 14, became a resistance, broke 14, was trying to hold that 14 and it broke, is coming down. So I'm going to turn on some layers here, and I want to adjust the line. Maybe I'll just get rid of this extra line here. So if you look at the chart, maybe I'll just make it even nicer here. The blue line, the peak, it peaks a lot, comes down. Maybe you will see another peak. It might go back to the blue line. It will come down. But the trend, if you look at the trend, maybe I'll just draw one more line here. The blue line, the trend is downward. Okay, the trend is downward. Even within a day, it pops a lot. You can see from 13.3 it went all the way to 16, then came down. Even last Friday it did a nice pop to 12.2 and ended the day 10.8. so you can see small pops here and there, but overall the trend is not very pretty. What I see here, some kind of support around 9.4. So who knows, it might come back to 9.4, 9.5, and then it might bounce. But if the trend is following, see the blue line here, if the trend is following, maybe you can see some kind of bounce all the way to 11.5 or 12. But this is the trend, and again, whenever something is running from $16 all the way to 20, 3 times already, and you should be careful. You should take some profit, then get in, get out. If it comes back to $6-7, I would say it is safer than now, but even at $10 it is higher. But we will see can it hold 9.4. Look at triple BY, even though triple BY is different, right? But see, the stock pops, comes down, pops, comes down. Look at Silvergate, the other stock which has short interest of like 70%, big pop to 24 and now at $15. So this kind of short squeeze, the mania only holds if there is volume and momentum. When the momentum dies, they slowly bleed and come down. See how they are coming down. So that is why it is important to take some profit whenever you're up. Take some profit, wait for the dip with a stop loss, get in, make some money. If you're wrong, stop loss will kick you out. So be careful. I'm not saying carvana is bad. Carvana is not going back to 15, 16 or 20, but I just want to give you a perspective that there is nothing wrong taking the profit. The other thing is next week the CPI data will come Tuesday. Again, the market could be volatile, and few other things. Some people always talk, look at carvana, the price was around $360. Some people say, okay, the price was $99, $100. I'm not saying that, but just sitting at $9, if I'm just waiting for $300 stuff, many people say I'm not selling before $300. Why not? Like, just if you buy at $6, the price goes to 23 times, take some money and get out. You can always go in unless you are really long term on this particular stock. Otherwise, you can see nice pop, $60 came back, moving sideways, nice pop, again coming down. So anyway, for now we are just playing these as a day trade, not even swing. Maybe a good swing would be if the price comes to 6.2, where it has some nice support, then you can think about adding more and for the swing. But for now, looking at the daily candle, back to back two big red candle, we have to see can it hold this 9.4 area. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. I'm not saying it's a bad stock, I'm just saying about risk management, okay, and taking some profit. I also released another video on triple BY, also another video on VLON. Please watch those videos from my playlist. Also, if you want to join my community, then yeah, normally what we do, we give trade ideas each and every day. Then we have other analysts, we have option trade analysts, they give live alert with their entry and exit. So as a team we are making money, and it doesn't cost a lot. $9, $15, 20. Choose that here, get access to our Discord, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.